Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Javed. Today I'm going to talk about machine learning and supervised and unsupervised learning. Today it's my first lecture on the series. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of AI that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. What does it mean by without being explicitly programmed? In traditional programming, you give machine the data and the set of instruction in the form of rules and gets the results. But in machine learning, you already provide data and the answers to the machine beforehand, and then machine will learn from these features and give you the rules. In case of activity recognition example, our data is our speed limit and answers are basically the labels. For example, if a person is walking or running, machine will learn from the data and give you the rules such as if a person is walking or running. So in machine learning, you have reduced the amount of programming, so machine will learn automatically. Then we have application of machine and deep learning. Deep learning is basically a subfield of machine learning, which involves large amount of processing of data. So we have spam classification, predicting house prices, face recognition, image detection, and speech recognition. We have three types of learning, basically supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised. What happens in supervised learning? We give the machine training data and their labels, but in unsupervised learning, we don't provide any label. We only give the data. The machine will automatically learn from the different features of the data and group the data into different uh, species. In semi-supervised, we give machine the sum of the data as a labeled data, the rest without any labels. How machine will learn the data without labels? It will learn from the previous examples of the data which is given to the machine as a labeled data and give the results. So in supervised learning, you see if we use the previous diagram, the data is given in the form of X and the labels are in the form of Y's. Data, for example, if you are feeding the machine the pictures of cats and dogs with their assigned labels, what machine will do, machine will learn the automatically the distinguished features of cats and dogs, and you it will give you the results either as a cat or dog. And once the training of machine is done, when you show the machine new examples of cats or dogs, it will be easily classify them as a cat or dog. In unsupervised learning, what happens in unsupervised learning, you only provide the data without any label. So this is called clustering. How clustering? Because when you provide a machine data with no labels, mixed data, for example, if you give a machine data of different types of vehicles such as cars, aeroplanes, and bicycles, what machine will do, machine will basically learn the different features of cars, bicycles, and aeroplanes and separate them out in the one group as a cars, as a bicycles, and as aeroplanes. So it will make the cluster of each types of vehicle. And when you will show the new examples, such as like if you show the machine, once the training is done, if you show the machine example of an aeroplane, so it will send the aeroplane in the group of aeroplane, not in the group of bicycles or cars. So that's how machine learning is very important. Machine will learn automatically the features, right? So that's how unsupervised learning performs. And so the things we will learn in this series are linear regression, logistic regression. These are all basically linear regression, logistic regression, SVM, neural networks. These are basically machine learning algorithms we will study. So in the later part, we will go more into the details of deep learning. So I will basically help you guys out with the both theory part and implementation part in Python. So stay tuned and like my channel and subscribe it. So for more further videos, thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot for joining me.